moments later. Later that night.
Hey yo, what's up? I have my pineapple pizza. Pineapple margherita pizza. Woo! Okay, so it's still smoking. No worries. I trust the process. It's supposed to be smoking like this. But then oh shit, the smoke doesn't look good. Something wrong. And then I just stop the oven. Anyways, let's go do ASMR. ASMR taste. Itadakimasu. Bentar, gimana rasanya? Bentar. Nih. Let's go. Pineapple really make the taste fresh. This is pizza. The mozzarella, tomato, the basil. The pizza base also really good. It's thin. I like it. The crust still really hard. I cannot chew on it. I think I want to eat the crust. I only eat one slice because to save it for later. If I want to chill or tomorrow. Enak cuy. Glad the house survived. I was scared it will turn on the alarm, the fire alarm. Shit. If it gets turned on, I don't know what to do. Everything will go wet everywhere, I guess. And I need to delay the stream, or I'll continue the stream with the fire alarms on. Luckily, it doesn't trigger the fire alarm, the smoke. I wonder what's the specification for the alarm to goes on. Untung aja guys. 10 out of 10. Margherita. I love margherita. I love pineapple pizza. This is really good. Top notch. The pineapple completing everything. It completes all the void in the pizza. Such a good compliment. Bon appetit, bao. The smoke didn't trigger the fire alarm. That's concerning actually. I checked to see if the fire alarm is working. Kobo, because it'd be a serious problem if it isn't. Or perhaps it's because maybe it needs more smoke. Maybe there's not much smoke. Classic Kobo brain.